So I want to talk a little bit about Autodesk Eagle licensing. Autodesk Eagle comes with three types of licenses, as you can see on the screen here. So the Autodesk Eagle license types are free, standard, and premium. The Autodesk Eagle licenses differences are in the number of schematic sheets, signal or plane layers, board area, and certain restrictions. For example, the Autodesk Eagle free license is restricted to personal use. It's basically used for non-commercial use. If you need an Autodesk Eagle license for commercial use, it's recommended or really required that you use the standard or premium version. So what are really the differences between these three? For example, what is a schematic sheet? That's simply the number of pages in your schematic design. You're just going to be limited in your file by what you can fit on two sheets. Signal or plane layers, that's simply the number of copper layers in your design. So again, a limitation of two. Finally, board area. I think board area is pretty straightforward there. Finally, it's worth noting that the Autodesk Eagle software does come in a Windows, Mac, and Linux version. So you have a lot of flexibility there in terms of the operating system you use. Thanks.